Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given 1/4. All this to the power of x is equals to x. So what is the value of x? So before we begin, remember to like, subscribe and comment down below. So here is our solution. So we have 1/4, all this to the power of x is equals to x. So our first step is to begin by powering all the sides by 1/4. So then this becomes 1/4, all this to the power of x, all this to the power of 1/x is equals to x, all this to the power of 1/x. Okay, so this and this will cancel and we'll be left with 1/4 is equals to x to the power of 1/x, right? So in our next step, so 1/4 we can write it as 1/2, all this squared is equals to x to the power of 1/x, right? So in our next step, so 1/2, all this squared, we can as well write it as 1/2, all this to the power of 1/2 is equals to x to the power of 1/x, right? So this reminds us of this rule. If you have a to the power of a is equals to b to the power of b, this implies that a is equals to b. So for our case here, this means that 1/2 is equals to x, or x is equals to 1/2. So this is our final answer. So we have a similar equation. So let us solve this. So we can solve x to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of x plus 9. So what is the value of x? So for this case here, we shall begin by splitting this. So if you have a to the power of m plus n, you can as well write it as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this therefore becomes x to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 9. So in our next step is to divide both sides by 3 to the power of x and this side 3 to the power of x. So this and this cancels and we are left with x to the power of x over 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 9. Okay, so you can see our exponents here are the same. So according to one rule of indices, we can write this as x over 3, all this to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 9. Okay, so in our next step, we shall power this side by a third and power this side by a third as well. So this becomes x over 3, all this to the power of x, all this to the power of a third is equals to 3 to the power of 9, all this to the power of a third. Okay, so then this becomes x over 3, all this to the power of x over 3 is equals to 3 to the power of, so this becomes 3, so 3 cubed. Okay, so then a to the power of a is equals to b to the power of b. So this implies that this is equals to this, or this is equals to this. So x over 3 is equals to 3. We shall multiply here by 3 and multiply here by 3 to get the value of x. So this and this will cancel. X is equals to 9. So this is our final value of x. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video.